Welcome back to Olsa Tools, Gears, and Grease. Today we're diving into a tool that'll save your sanity when bolts and screws disappear into the black hole of your engine bay. It's the flexible magnetic pickup tool with LED light. Trust me, this is a game changer you'll want in your toolbox. Let's start with the basics. Picture this. You're under the hood, it's late, and you drop a tiny bolt into the abyss. You can't see it, you can't reach it, frustration sets in. That's where this tool comes to the rescue. First, the LED light. It's bright, focused, and perfect for illuminating those hard-to-reach areas. Whether it's an engine bay, a tight machine compartment, or even behind a workbench, this light makes sure nothing stays hidden. Next up, the flexible shaft. This thing is a lifesaver. It bends and twists around obstructions like wires, hoses, or engine components, letting you grab items in tight spots where traditional tools can't reach. It's like having an extra hand, but one that's incredibly precise. And let's talk magnets. This tool features a powerful neodymium magnet. It's strong enough to pick up bolts, screws, sockets, and even heavier metal objects without slipping. Want a real-world test? We'll weigh the items it can handle in a moment, so stick around. Finally, it's built tough. Made with durable, lightweight materials, it's designed for everyday use. Whether you're a professional mechanic working in a high-traffic shop or a DIY enthusiast tinkering in your garage, this tool can handle the wear and tear. Alright, let's put this tool to work. First, let's test the magnet. I've got a handful of 1/4-inch sockets. Let's see how many it can pick up at once. Nice. Now let's test the magnetic force by lifting the flex head ratchet. Look at that! It easily holds 9 bolts and screws without dropping a thing. Now, for the weight test, I've got a chisel weighing about 500 grams. Let's see if the magnet can lift it. Yup, no problem. That magnet is seriously impressive. Moving on to the LED light, let's simulate a dark engine bay. Look at how much light this tiny tool produces. It's bright, focused, and perfect for finding those runaway bolts. Before we wrap up, a quick note on maintenance. The LED light uses replaceable LR44 batteries, and swapping them out is easy. Just twist the light head, pop in the new batteries, and you're good to go. Keep a spare set on hand so you're never caught in the dark. And don't forget to clean the magnet after each use. Just a quick wipe to remove any debris or oil buildup. Thanks for tuning in to Olsa Tools, Grease, and Gears. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this episode with your fellow mechanics. Have questions or tool recommendations, leave them below. Until next time, keep it cool and greasy.